Hey everyone, my name is Mary Ellen and welcome to my channel. Life is messy but I am learning as I grow. I share plant-based recipes, DIY craft ideas, gardening tips, and family travel adventures, all designed to help us learn and grow together. And if we're lucky, you might even catch some adorable videos and pictures of my cat Pack. If you want to learn and grow with me, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's whip up a stack of pure morning joy with our easy, fluffy vegan blueberry pancakes. They're plant-based, dairy-free, oil-free, and 100% delicious. We'll show you how to get that dreamy golden brown flip using simple, wholesome ingredients, no eggs, no dairy, no stress. Plus, we're packing in juicy blueberries for a sweet pop of flavor and a healthy antioxidant boost. Whether you're a longtime vegan or just pancake-curious, this recipe is sure to be a winner. So grab your spatula and let's get flipping, because no one should settle for boring breakfast. You will need these ingredients. Wet. 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract. 2 cups of plant milk. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Dry. 2¼ cups whole wheat flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 2 cups of blueberries, fresh or frozen. Now let's make some pancakes. In a large bowl, mix together all of your dry ingredients. Then you'll mix your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Why did the blueberry start a band? It wanted to make some jam. If you are a jam fan, check out my strawberry jam recipe. It is very good. Carefully fold in your fresh or defrosted frozen blueberries. Do not overmix. Go ahead and preheat your non-stick frying pan on a medium heat. Now that the pan is hot, pour your mix into your pan in round circles. Wait until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges are set. Use a wide spatula to gently slide under the pancake, then swiftly flip it in one confident motion. This ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. Then cook till golden brown. And that's a wrap, your ticket to pancake bliss, minus the eggs, dairy, and guilt. These fluffy vegan blueberry beauties are proof that plant-based breakfasts can be just as cozy, crave-worthy, and ridiculously satisfying. So go ahead, stack 'em high, drizzle generously, and enjoy every bite. Your taste buds, and your brunch game, will thank you. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. If you give it a try, let me know how it turned out in the comments. I love hearing from you. You can find the full written recipe linked in the video description to make it even easier to whip up at home. And if you're looking for more tasty morning ideas, this recipe is also featured in my breakfast cookbook. I'll leave a link to that down below too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious, plant-based goodness. See you next time.